Hey, define testing requirements for fabric inspection. Several specific tests and measurements can be used during fabric inspection to ensure that your fabric meets necessary standards. This may include abrasion resistance test. A test always measure this your resistance and this your fabric abrasion or your wear. Busting stain test. A test that's your nature through this your fabric by applying pressure and that's your fabric unit in this busts. Testing state test. A test that your measure that you stand at your fabric applying as pros and this your result. Color fastness test. A test that your measure how well this fabric retain its color after being washed or exposed to light. Peeling test. A test that measures how resistant that fabric is to peeling, which is this formatting and the small balls of sand in this superficies fabrics. Shrinkage test. A test that measures how much this fabric shrinks after being washed or exposed to that. Stage test. A test that measures how much a fabric can source without being and belongs its shape. Dimensional stability test. Dimensional stability test. A test that measures how the will fabric stay in the shape after being washed or exposed to that. I hope you understand this fabric inspection system and wastage systems. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I will discuss constellations in these next videos.